It's long, it's flashy, and it scores big time in the looks department, enough to attract an admiring glance or two. The face is stylish with a wide strip incorporating the LED headlamp flanked by LED daytime running lights. The face is stylish with a wide strip incorporating the LED headlights flanked by LED daytime running lights. And it gets LED blinkers, a full digital instrument panel, and even an LED tail light. It is well equipped with flashy components too, like the telescopic front suspension and a very unique twin disc brake with 2 combined discs and a gas-charged rear shock.
We're in the heart of New Delhi and we have a scooter here which could be the perfect ride to ride around town for your errands, and even you could go commuting on this, and that's a full-size scooter, but there's a catch there. This is the new Okinawa Praise electric scooter and it gives you a full range of about 170 odd kilometers on a full charge. How is it? We're going to ride around Delhi and see what the new Okinawa Praise has to offer today.
The Okinawa Praise electric scooter boasts of several best-in-class features and performance, including a range of 200 km on a single charge and a top speed of 75 km per hour. It gets different riding modes with an economy and sport mode for regular riding and a turbo switch which offers a power boost. There is a USB charging point, and the Praise gets more than 19 liters of under-seat storage where you can store the charger, but it is still not enough for a full-size helmet. On the move, the Okinawa feels quick for an electric scooter, and the numbers rise quickly on the digital speedometer. Sport mode will have you crossing 60 km per hour easily, and with the turbo switch on, you can hit well over 70 km per hour on the speedometer. But the speedometer reading seems too optimistic and unrealistic, and the actual speed is almost 10 km per hour less. The footboard is tall, so the riding position isn't very comfortable either. With the knees folded up in an awkward position, it is certainly not a desirable riding position. Handling is neutral but not really taught to give the Praise great road manners, especially around a corner. Then there's the ride quality. As long as you're riding on smooth roads, the Praise offers a comfortable ride, but hits slightly bad roads and the bouncy ride quality makes itself felt despite the flashy looking suspension.
There are quite a few things we like about the Okinawa Praise electric scooter. It looks absolutely fantastic, loaded with features, and the best thing about its scooter is the range. The company claims a range of about 180 to 200 kilometers on a full charge, and we've been riding it all day today almost, and so far we've covered about 50-60 odd kilometers. I think we can easily do about 80-100 kilometers on a full charge battery. What could have improved is definitely the ride quality. It feels a little bouncy. Brakes are superb, very good for this kind of scooter. It looks big like a full-size scooter. And the company claims a top speed of 75 kilometers per hour. We've clocked a speedo indicated 73 kilometers per hour, but I have my doubts about the true speed because we've compared it with our support car and there's about a 8 to 10 kilometers per hour speed difference. So if this is doing about 73, I think the actual speed would be about 60-62 odd kilometers per hour. But good range, good looks, built well, and it looks like a full-size scooter. So that's the good thing about it. And also for somebody who's a little tall, like a 6-footer, this scooter will be a little uncomfortable because for me, I'm 5 feet 10, a little less than 10 inches. Somebody who's a 6-footer tall will find it a little cramped because the riding position is not that comfortable. But overall, I think the Okinawa Praise really has set a new benchmark in the electric scooter range here in India.
In all, we rode the scooter for over 80 kilometers and there was still some charge left in the battery. So that means very good practical range on a single charge. Yes, the Okinawa Praise has its shortcomings, and with its price at 65,000 rupees, it is more expensive than many conventional scooters. But despite all that, it is still one of the best electric scooters available in the market today.